Hi, today I'm going to show you how to download Easy Update Manager. Easy Update Manager is a plugin we've started using to make sure websites, themes, plugins, etc. is all up to date. So first things first, I'll want to open up our WordPress admin panel. I'm here logged in. We're going to go to click on Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, we're going to type in Easy Update Manager. We're going to give it a second. It's going to be the very first pop-up or result. It's got about 300,000 plus installations and 515 5-star reviews. Last updated 3 weeks ago, and it was made by Easy Update Manager team. We're going to click Download Now or Install. We're going to click on Activate. It's going to bring us to the plugin panel right here. We're going to click on Configure. And we're just going to click up here in the little pop-up. It'll show up a couple times, but you normally just click Dismiss Now for 6 months, and then it'll ask you to Dismiss Now for a whole year. So we normally just do that. And if we scroll down here, we'll see WordPress core updates, plugin updates, theme updates, and translation updates. You can choose if you want to enable automatic updates. You can choose to disable them. You can manually do, for example, the WordPress core updates, 5.7, 5.8, etc., and just automatically update the plugins. Below here, core notification emails, we can make sure we have an email here set, and it'll let us know anytime there's an update being made, or any setting, or any news from themselves. Or we can just click Disable Now. And below is for the rating. We can just click, I have left the rating. And automatically here, you can just click Auto Update Everything. It'll automatically update everything, core updates, plugin, themes, etc. Or Custom, which would be pretty much selecting one or the other. And then we can just click Disable All Updates or Enable All Updates as well, the settings. Basically, this is a plugin I'd recommend using just so you don't have to log in every couple of days and update plugins, etc. It's a very good plugin, and from the reviews I can tell it's widely been used a lot, and there's not a lot of complaints. So pretty much this was a video on how to install this plugin. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.